5 Best Places to Live in Switzerland Part 1. With our guide to the 5 greatest cities in Switzerland for expats, you can figure out where you should start your new life in the Alpine nations. Switzerland, despite its small size, is a country full of unexpected differences. 1. Geneva, this multicultural treasure, which stretches around a magnificent Lake Geneva, has long been one of the most attractive cities in Switzerland for foreigners. Some of the world's most well-known organizations are headquartered in the French-speaking metropolis, including the United Nations, Red Cross, and World Health Organization. Geneva is popular among diplomats and officials, who make up a substantial portion of the city's expat community. 2. Winterthur. Many expats ignore Winterthur when looking for a new home in Switzerland, but don't make the same mistake. This charming tiny German-speaking city is the country's 6th largest and home to a surprising number of expats. This makes it an excellent location for settling into your new Swiss home, and with Zurich only a 20-minute train trip away, you won't be far from the hustle and bustle of the big metropolis. 3. Bern. Expats going to Switzerland may be shocked to learn that the country's capital, rather than Geneva or Zurich, is Bern, a very small city. The Swiss Parliament is housed in this city, which is located near the linguistic border between French and German Switzerland. It also features a UNESCO-listed city center with some of the best shopping in the country, as well as the famous Bear Pit, which is home to the city's enduring icon, bears. 4. Lugano. Lugano is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. The city is known as the capital of Italian-speaking Switzerland and is located on the northern banks of the beautiful Lake Lugano. In fact, it is frequently claimed that Lugano is more culturally similar to Milan, just an hour's drive across the border, than other Swiss cities. It's a Swiss bit of La Dolce Vita, from its gorgeous architecture to its thriving cafe culture and even the pleasant Mediterranean breeze. 5. Although technically a town, Zug is a popular destination for expats in Switzerland. Between Zurich and Lucerne, German-speaking Zug is a pleasant alternative for those seeking a more tranquil Swiss lifestyle. Zug has also attracted a large number of expats, making it surprisingly multicultural for a town of only 30,000 people. It's easy to see why, given the easy access to major cities and, of course, the Swiss countryside.